hi! Ang oily naman ng person. Hi! Where are we?
Dito tayo sa may Plaza Mirani. Kahit si Pinay.
Galing Jude.
Galing Jude. Hashtag Walkable City? The question mark.
Ate ko naman. Hahanapin namin yung...
Si Marilag.
Si Marilag.
Bakit Marilag?
Hindi ko din po alam. Oh my god, this is it, this is it, this is it.
Kaya nga mahal siya eh.
In...
Saka isang Hungarian rice dito kay sir. Ilang combo? Dalaw.
Okay na to.
Okay na to? Okay na. The food. Yeah.
But it's...
It's okay. It was kind of salty.
The umami was kicking.
Oo. Ano siya? Risk for hypernatremia.
Uy!
Ano daw?
Thank you, nursing department.
For teaching us
we've
about
already secured our HEPA A and B
vaccines.
And
Yes.
now we understand.
The importance is not to protect us from our duties, but to protect us from the food we eat.
Our whole life.
Neneng di. Wala na, di na magta-try ang people. Hala, parang ang sarap pa naman.
Meron,
Ha? Yun nga eh, more than 11 eh. God, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Shout out sa'yo, Francine.
Okay yung baon.
Francine, penge fried siopaw.
Tag-isa po, ma'am.
Opo. Ay,